In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a collection on TikTok. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app. And now to create a collection, and a collection is basically just like it says, a collection of all your favorite videos that you come across on TikTok. So let's just say, for an example, I want to add this video to a collection. All I need to do is I need to tap on the share button that is located right there, and then a menu will pop up. And then you just want to scroll at the bottom. You have all those different options. Scroll to the right, and then you'll come across the option here that says add to favorites. Tap on add to favorites. And now you can see if I tap on manage, a little thing popped up and it said manage. If you tap on manage, it says add to collection. So I could just give this a name right quick. So I could call it my faves for an example, but you can name it anything that you would like. And then if I just tap on the save button, you can see it's been added to that specific collection. Then you can just continue scrolling onto TikTok, and let's just say, for an example, I want to add this to that same collection. I can tap on the share button, can scroll to the right, tap on add to favorites, go to manage favorites, and there you can see you can either create a new collection and put it in a new collection, or put it into one of your existing collections. So I'll tap on my faves, and that has been added as well. Then you can just repeat that process with as many videos as you would like. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.